Good morning, lovely people. I was planning diving today, but it looks like no way. Laura wanted to do some macro photography and we wanted to do technical dive, but when I'm looking towards Tulamben, and I can see even from here, I can see the big waves smashing on a reef, so I decided to no, there's no way. And here in all macro sites there's no visibility, really big waves, and the Laura cannot be really stable and film anything just because it's swinging all the time. To go in the water with 3 tanks for the technical reasons is also not really smart, just because it will be really challenging to get into the water and out. To get into the water it's kind of easier, but after the dive it's really hard to get out. And if I have to carry 3 tanks for myself, 3 tanks for Anna, I will kill myself. So we are not go diving. I have a drone with me and we decided to go somewhere around. I'm still thinking about where to go. Yeah, we'll see on our way. Wanted to take some photos at Lampung temple, but it's closed at the moment. No one really knows when it will be open. I don't know, I think it's all connected with all these restrictions at the moment, the lockdowns. So all that's kind of really popular tourism attraction, and that's why we ended up here in rice pads near Tirtaganga. Tirtaganga probably is closed because it's also a tourism attraction, but here is every time when we're passing by to Chandadasa there's a beautiful rice fields, and usually you're looking at them from the road, while this time, this is the first time in more than 4 years when I came down here, and it's beautiful here. Look at that tree. It's a Japan, really. Just imagine how many years. It's a, I don't know, couple of hundreds of years definitely. And then there is this pool where I usually see old ladies washing clothes and just taking like a kind of bath after the long working day. Definitely recommend this place. I don't know why I delayed this visit of this place so long. So we're taking this advantage and just simply walking around. I had another plan, but yeah, because of restrictions we cannot do whatever we want. We have to respect it. So that's why it's just amazing that we have places like this where we can just simply go and you know, for the mental health I think it's really important. So we just got jackfruit. I don't know how many kilos. This one is like around 10 kilos, I think. Really sweet this season. So finally Anna will be happy and will get some durian. All the last trip to Bedugul, she always asked me to stop and buy durian, but finally we never bought because the people actually were asking too much for it, and I was not ready to pay like $10 per kilogram. It's too much.
You like? No? But then good?
Good?
Yeah.
Enjoy. Enjoy.
Yum yum. But then yum yum.
This one is a local one. Not bad.
Good, good. Oh.
Very sweet, to be honest. But that's what I'm all the time talking. The seed is pretty big in the local durian, and the soup pot is not that big. Anna is absolutely happy. She's been begging for durian for, I don't know, second month.
Since she arrived.
Decided to bring girls to the place where I was yesterday. Looks like an interesting place. I didn't know about this one. We just went the wrong way, and finally, because of that, we found this place, but it's not really the way I wanted to go. Hello! Good massage! And that's how we spend the day. Going around exploring new places. When you will be able to come to Bali, then we will be able to show you these new places. This is on the other side of the mountain ridge, so that's why there is still water in all the springs and small rivers. Thank you very much for watching me today again. Follow, subscribe, smash the thumbs up button, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.